Okay, let's take a look at this nice calculus 3 questions. Imagine you're given z equals xy, and then further you're told that x equals cosine t, and then let's say y is equal to sine t, and let's say this is the case as follows. When 0 is less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to 2 pi, a question we can ask about this is the following. Max of z over x equals cosine t, y equals sine t. Now, as a reminder, what you have is a circle, and in this circle, you have this. So this is like t here. So this part is cosine t, and then this part is sine t. So you're looking for the maximum value of the product of x and y over this circle. If you've never done this before, here's a clue. Because x is cosine and y is sine, what you can do is just stick them in here and make a function of a single variable, z of t, and use that instead. Anyway, if you want the answer, just click on the quiz link in the comments. It takes you to a YouTube quiz. You can choose an answer. There's an explanation included.